Page 326, number 51, asks us to convert from statute miles to nautical miles. And we're just going to use a different conversion factor, the final one in this section. So we're going to take the fact that we know that points C and D are 895 statute miles apart and convert that into nautical miles. So we're going to take the value of 895 statute miles and multiply that times our conversion factor, which was given in the section as there are approximately 0.87 nautical miles per 1 statute mile. So again, what we're looking for is for our units to cancel. And in this case, we'll have to multiply 895 times 0.87. And when we do that, we get 779 nautical miles.